Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Diamond Hub development in Maypen. Now we are by the Maypen interchange, the largest interchange in Jamaica. It's on Highway 2000. Now what they plan to do is to put up service lots around the highway. So we are to the right of the highway. The development will be where we are. To the left of the highway, and basically on all four sides of the interchange. It's going to be a massive development. And it's probably going to be the largest development to take place in Clarendon. Now, this development is needed. For instance, they are going to have gas stations, supermarkets, stores, commercial centers, and even KFC and Burger King. I don't know if they've signed the leases, but they're interested in putting a location here. One, it's on the highway. You can exit without having to go through a toll plaza. Do what you have to do, get back on the highway and head in any direction. It's a diamond interchange. That's why they call it the Diamond Hub, the development. So the exit is called the Maypen interchange. But it's a diamond hub setup. So that's why they named the development the Diamond Hub. Alright, so we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Now, if you think of this development as an urban center, you'll understand what it is. It's more like an urban center. So just to give you an example of how big it is. In Morant Bay, they're building the Morant Bay Urban Center. Very successful development. It's 25 acres. This development in Maypen is 118 acres. So it's almost 5 times the size of the urban center in Morant Bay. So this development is following the model of the urban center. It's just that no government entities like the courthouse, the tax office, none of them have committed to being in this development yet. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on here. Kirbyton Commercial Development Limited is a limited liability company incorporated under the laws of Jamaica since May 18, 2023 and introduces its new development, the Diamond Hub. Kirbyton Commercial is currently subdividing its lands located along the Maypen leg of the East-West Highway. The 118-acre property is divided into two parcels and is perfectly placed at entrance and exit ramps of the highway and joined by the underpass, which gives access to both sides. These ramps give entry and exit to and from the existing main road. The Diamond Hub is located at the Diamond Interchange at the Maypen exit and is 20 minutes from Mandela Highway and 20 minutes from Mandeville with easy access to all major towns and highways. The land will be subdivided into 74 service lots and industrial lots ranging from 0.75 to 2 acres, of which 4 will be reserved for green spaces. The location, along with the ease of access to and from the highway, makes this complex perfect for supermarkets, shopping centers, commercial banks, telecommunications outlet, restaurants, pharmacies, gas stations, warehouses, distribution centers, BPOs, rest stops, car mats, heavy equipment offices, furniture store, factories, auto parts, bus depots, water shops, and offices. Residents of the surrounding areas will no longer have to encounter traffic to access needed necessities, as the Diamond Hub will aid in allowing investors to maximize on and create the much needed entities to suit the needs of residents. The proposed construction of exit and entrance ramps on the highway at Heartlands Innswood and the existing ramps at Old Harbour Persons living in the ever-growing residential areas Old Harbour to Innswood will now have viable option other than Kingston, with this complex being less than 15 minutes away with no traffic and less toll fees. In addition, investors have now acquired the 800 acres of sugarcane land formerly owned by J. Ray and Nephew in four parts behind the old Sweet and Juicy rest stop, and plans are underway to develop and sell over 4,000 two-bedroom units. This development is a 2 minutes drive from this location. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So the development is massive. And if you notice, Maypen doesn't really, or Clarendon doesn't really get much of the developments taking place in Jamaica. For example, with the road, the highway that goes there, they don't really get any new investments as such. So it's good that this development is coming. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.